What's going on, Daytona fans? It's Kevin here, and I have an awesome piece of news I want to share with you. I originally wasn't going to make a video today, but it's too good not to share. FCA North America just released a video of the last Dodge Demon being produced and rolling off the production plant. They posted this video on May 30th, 2018. So it has already happened, guys. The last Demon has already left the plant. Now this video is about a 5-minute video, and it showcases the production line. It shows the Demon being built, and it shows the Demon rolling off the production line. Now as it rolls off the production line, you can see a few coworkers standing there watching it leave. They're a little bit emotional about it. But what's even more amazing is that at the end of the 5-minute video, there's a group picture taken with the plant workers next to the Demon. And I think this is extremely powerful. I think this is great that Dodge showed this. It shows that the plant workers, aren't just looking for a paycheck. They are Mopar family, and they are Mopar fans. That's how you know you've got an awesome product in your hands. These guys care about what they build. And I also think it's awesome that Dodge stuck to the guns and said we're only making 3,300 Demons. So if you haven't already picked one up, you may still be able to get one. In fact, you may still be able to get the last Dodge Demon to be built in this era. I mean, how badass would that be for you to pick up the last Dodge Demon? How cool would it be? Anyway, that's it for this video. Again, the link is in the description below if you're interested in watching. It was definitely emotional for me, and I hope it'll be a little bit emotional for you to watch the last Demon roll off the plant. Until the next video, guys, have a great day. Peace.